Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Agaisnt, has raised serious concern over the gross violence of child rights amidst the ongoing crisis in the state. Speaking exclusively to SKTV News at Agaisnt Kumar highlighted that children, including those of tender ages, faced various forms of persecutions and oppression. He further said that crimes against girl child, including brutal murder and other forms of heinous crimes, have alarmingly increased since the onset of the crisis in Manipur on May 3, 2023. While asserting that around 25,000 children are taking refuge in relief camps, the Mcpcr chairperson decried that people face lots of inconveniences due to lack of separate toilets for male and female and napkins in the relief camps. He highlighted disproportionate number of toilet facilities in relief camps. Stressing on the grievances faced by children in terms of education, Kumar stated that many students who appeared in the recent HSLC examination faced lots of difficulties and challenges. While emphasizing on the need for maintaining specific mechanisms based on ground reports and data to address the emotional and psychological trauma suffered by children, the Mcpcr chairperson observed that there is a need for having a separate nodal officer in this connection. Kumar then expressed his strong desire to carry out thorough investigations on the sexual assaults and crimes committed against children while drawing the attention of the government towards the effort.
Any channel the discussion to the newspaper Uganda, koi angangi matang ni iwa khana basi kya ude se engon yam nuaite koi loi hai ni koi tungi lewa kini do tungi yumbire ni haiga angang sina kari chari ko mai hingi moi wakhan film ko mai tawri mental health kam dawri je si je koi na miss to wasima yam lale ha koi ni yam holistic oiba comprehensive oiba policy ma mang thamaga action plan khara semaga angang the centric oiba child-centric approach, child-friendly approach ko. Aduga accessible policy yam phajare yogdi kandeba. Accessible and reachable ko. Asigi port oiba yam thuna koi semaga thabokse coordination and convergence later kandadi akoin 100% yumda leiba dumaina nungaiba piba ngamdragasu 70% 80% de koi manage to boyaina aduga quality section da mental health issues huji akoin uba posing jina taba sahi tara kun moi adult changpa matam da su akoina semdok ko yaroi da asoi ba kya lakadaba long term effect leiba posing che sti ko care lo do ne the mental health issue of the children is I am crucial oi area si yengan